Welcome back to Premier Car, the home of luxury motorhomes, majestic campers, and the finest machines on the road. If you're passionate about freedom on four wheels, comfort on the go, and unmatched automotive elegance, then you've landed in the right place. Before we dive into this luxurious masterpiece, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to Premier Car, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a journey into the world of elite motorhomes. Today, we bring you the 2025 Frankia Platin I 8400 GD, a true symbol of power, prestige, and perfection on the road. This isn't just a motorhome, it's a moving palace, a five-star hotel on wheels, and a dream for every luxury traveler. From its bold, bus-like stance to its elegant titanium silver and sky-black finish, the Platin I 8400 GD doesn't just turn heads, it demands attention. With a design that blends the confidence of a truck and the sophistication of a grand tourer, this motorhome is in a league of its own. Let's begin with the stunning exterior. Standing tall and proud outside a showroom, the Frankia Platin I 8400 GD looks absolutely radiant in the early morning light. The sharp contours, chrome accents, and aerodynamic structure give it the presence of a luxury coach, a machine built for long hauls and limitless comfort. Its wide panoramic windshield and large side mirrors enhance visibility, while the custom paintwork reflects sunlight like a mirror. With windows that open wide and fine detailing from front to rear, it's not just a vehicle, it's a masterpiece in motion. Step inside and enter the living room, and you'll instantly forget you're in a vehicle. Plush leather seating, warm LED mood lighting, and a beautifully crafted wooden table invite you to sit down, relax, and enjoy the journey. Large panoramic windows let natural light flood in, making the space feel airy and expansive. Whether you're parked by a beach or on a mountain trail, the view from inside is always stunning. This living space is nothing short of a luxury lounge, refined, comfortable, and endlessly impressive. Now to the heart of every home, the kitchen. And oh, what a kitchen it is! With sleek modern cabinetry, a stainless steel sink, high-end gas cooktop, microwave, and a refrigerator seamlessly built in, this kitchen is designed for gourmet experiences on the go. Whether you're making breakfast for two or a feast for four, the counter space and smart storage make cooking easy and enjoyable. Its elegance and efficiency, perfectly blended. After a long drive or an adventurous day, the bedroom in the Frankia Platin I 8400 GD is your personal retreat. A king-sized bed, soft premium bedding, and ambient lighting create a cozy atmosphere that whispers luxury. The side windows allow for peaceful morning light and relaxing evening breezes. Overhead storage cabinets keep everything organized, and the overall design reflects pure comfort as if you're sleeping in a private hotel suite. And now, the bathroom, an area where many motorhomes compromise, but not the Platin. Here, you get a separate glass door shower, a modern ceramic toilet, and a sleek vanity with a stylish sink. The mirror lighting, quality fittings, and smart storage create a spa-like environment. It's clean, spacious, and luxurious, offering all the amenities of a high-end apartment bathroom. What truly makes the Frankia Platin I 8400 GD shine is how it brings everything together: style, technology, and functionality. From climate control systems, integrated entertainment units, solar and battery power solutions, to intelligent lighting, everything is smart and seamless. The materials used, the craftsmanship, and the layout all scream premium. You feel proud not just to own it, but to be seen in it. It's not just transport, it's a lifestyle. So, whether you're a weekend explorer, a full-time traveler, or someone who simply appreciates top-tier design, the 2025 Frankia Platin I 8400 GD delivers an unmatched experience. From the striking exterior to the breathtaking interior, it is built for those who don't settle for less. If you love this tour and want more incredible motorhomes, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Premier Car, and hit the bell icon, because we bring you only the best in luxury, comfort, and adventure on wheels. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next luxury ride right here on Premier Car.